This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating essentials, a full snapshot plus an incremental backup from the last 24 hours and active rollback steps. Once done, notify players and set a short maintenance window so you can iterate without surprise. Make sure telemetry and error logging are streaming live because you will need immediate feedback. Begin the update process with a focused, minimal change. Deploy a single module first, so you can observe impact and halt quickly if anything degrades. You now deploy incrementally using feature flags. Enable the change for 5% of users and watch latency, CPU, and memory. While this is running, compare gameplay metrics in parallel. /B tests give you direct cause and effect. Make sure to capture server snapshots and session traces so you can rewind problematic sessions. If metrics remain stable after a validation period, expand exposure in stages, 10%, 25%, pausing between steps to give yourself time to analyze and react. You finish by expanding the rollout in controlled stages until you reach full exposure. At each stage, validate matchmaking, persistence, and regression tests. Once 100% is reached, run a final integrity sweep and confirm telemetry aligns with expectations. If you see a spike in errors or player-impacting behavior, trigger the rollback command immediately, stop further rollout, restore snapshot, and communicate status. After resolution, document the cause and a concise postmortem so future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.